So what's title? Title, crazy, because very few people in this industry have an easy time at explaining what title insurance is. You see, because there is so much that goes into it, and people just don't understand. So if I was to be Italian for a moment, so you Italian people, you understand, we talk with our hands, or you talk with your hands. I say I'm Italian by diet, but all right. So let's say that this represents today, this the past, and this the future. The role of title insurance is to make sure that the past doesn't come forward and haunt you in the future. So what does that mean? Well, what we do is we identify any and all clouds that could affect the ownership of real property. That could be things like liens, tax liens, mechanics liens, ownership rights, fraud, encroachments, easements, and a gang of other items. Divorce could come into play, bankruptcy, ownership rights when it comes down to trusts and people passing, investings and heirs. And so what we do is we are the investigative of that process of real estate. And so through this vehicle by which we call the preliminary title report, that is right. In the preliminary title report, we identify all of these items and we work with your real estate professionals in order to get these things identified, cleared up, and removed before the closing of that real transaction. So here's something that many people don't understand about title insurance though as well. With title insurance, that policy stays with you for the entire time that you own that real property. So does it matter what title company you choose when it goes to closing that transaction? And the answer is absolutely it does. When you work with a company such as Ticor, guess what? We're not going anywhere anytime soon. And we have some of the best reserves in the industry. So that should anything happen and you stay in that property 20, 30, 40 years, Ticor Title will not be gone. We will be able to back our policies and make sure everything is taken care of. Many people also don't understand, well, how many policies are there in a transaction? Or I just refinanced my home 6 months ago. Shouldn't that policy protect me? And most people don't understand the fact that that policy doesn't protect you at all. That policy is intended for the lender to protect their interests. You see, title insurance is not required by law. However, no institutionalized lender, aka bank or financial institution, is going to give you money without it. Because you see, the banks in this case are investors, and most people don't understand that to be the case. You see, the true definition of an investor is somebody who lends money or invests money with an expected rate of return. And for that being said, that's exactly what a mortgage is. You see, they want to make sure that their loan is in the right priority so that if you, the homeowner, decide to default on their investment, that they have the opportunity to recapture it, which is known as foreclosure. And in California especially, priority is everything. Actually, in every state, priority is everything. California is a race to record state. So whoever records first has first priority at recapturing their investment. So those are some of the differences and the nuances that are there. So title insurance is a one-time fee paid at the close of any real estate transaction, and it protects the owner on the owner's policy for the life that they own that property. I hope this gives you a little quick insight as to how title insurance plays a role into transactions today. And please, when you have a chance, specify Ticor Title and Team Title Guy for all your title needs. Should you have any questions or like what you see in here, want more of it, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. God bless you. We'll see you real soon, and check out teamtitleguy.com.